As of January 28, 2025, Elon Musk is the richest man in the world with a net worth of $428 billion. And as we know, he's the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX. But what if I tell you that he can be flipped, okay, and another person can take over this position being the richest? So there is this very data that I'm going to show you in this video. And this data is a very simple one using the Bitcoin price chart. And this guy is going to replace Elon Musk in the next 5 to 10 years, in my opinion. And that very guy is SAYLOR, that is the CEO of MicroStrategy. Look at this very information right here. MicroStrategy acquire 10,107 Bitcoin for $1.1 billion at the price of $105,000 per Bitcoin, now holding a total sum of 471,107 BTC, which is valued at $30.4 billion. In this video, let's discuss this in detail and why I believe SAYLOR have that possibility of flipping Elon Musk in the next years. All of this in this video. So if you like content like this, definitely watch this video all the way to the very end. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. This very data is very important, and we know that SAYLOR have been accumulating Bitcoin even when market is coming all the way to the downside. And if you look at this very data that came out yesterday, that SAYLOR acquire $1.1 billion worth of Bitcoin. That is 10,107 Bitcoin, which worth $1.1 billion at the price of $105,596 for each of the Bitcoin he bought. If you look at this very price chart on TradingView, market was dropping yesterday to this very point of $97,000, okay, and right now we see the market flip back up. So if market continue to move upward, and we all know that from this price history, there was a time that Bitcoin was $1, and if that is the case, what do you think if Bitcoin move up to $1 million or a $2 million for Bitcoin in the next 5 to 10 years? And that is the reason why I believe SAYLOR have that possibility of flipping Elon Musk, who is the richest guy right here with $428 billion in the next coming years. Okay, so this is going to take some time, and this is going to happen in my opinion and from what I am seeing on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, for me, it has come to stay, okay, and no government can fight it and be successful. They've tried over and over again. So what is happening right now is mass adoption, okay. Government all over the world are now adopting Bitcoin, and some are even taking it as a reserve. So what if Bitcoin rise up to a $1 million or a 2 million, 3 million, or $5 million in the next 10, 20 years from now? What do you think people that have this quantity of Bitcoin, in the case of SAYLOR, is going to be? What is going to be their worth? Because this is very important. And if that is the case, it means that this guy, which is SAYLOR, have that capability of replacing Elon Musk as the richest person in the world. If we do a little bit of calculation with this very number, that is 471,107 Bitcoin. Okay, this is the total number of Bitcoin that SAYLOR have. If we do this, okay, and multiply it by $1 million per Bitcoin or $2 million for Bitcoin, you will discover that this guy is going to worth more than Elon Musk in the next coming years. So this is what I am personally looking at right now from this very perspective. So if we have this to be the total quantity of Bitcoin that SAYLOR have, multiply this with a $1 million, a $1 million is going to make him sit at $471 billion. Okay. And if you do it by a $2 million, that is $2 million per Bitcoin, then you'll be sitting at $942 billion. And with a $3 million per Bitcoin, you'll be sitting at $1.4 trillion. Some person can be thinking that this is crazy, but mind you, Bitcoin have rose all the way from $1 to $100,000 and even above $100,000. So what that also means is after some time, that is in the next 10, 20, 30 years, this very coin is going to rise as well. The possibility is there. And this is my personal opinion right now. And this is what I am thinking, that Elon Musk can be replaced. And you can also make a case that this is not going to happen at all, okay? And that Bitcoin is not going to hit a $1 million or $2 or $3 million, okay? And that is also fine. But from what I am seeing on chain and from what is happening around the world with massive adoption, ETF approval, all of those stuff, I believe Bitcoin is going to hit $1 million, $2 million, and even $3 million in the next 20 years. And that means Elon Musk, who is the richest person right now, followed by Jeff Bezos, is going to be replaced by Michael Saylor because he have more Bitcoin right now. And this is very, very important. Another downside to this very analysis is if Bitcoin hits a $1 million, it can also come back all the way to the downside in correction to $500, $300, $200,000 after hitting a $1 million mark. Or if Bitcoin hit $2 million, it can also have that massive correction. So that also boils down to the fact that Elon Musk can still maintain that position while Michael Saylor can be flipping in and out because of the fluctuation in the price of Bitcoin and crypto in general. So we can simply put that Elon Musk can be replaced with time by Michael Saylor. However, the stability of Michael Saylor is not guaranteed because that position for him is based on the fact that Bitcoin is moving up at that moment. And if Bitcoin begin to drop all the way to the downside, it also means that he will also lose that position. Now, in any case, what that also implies is that Michael Saylor is actually dollar cost averaging on his position on buying Bitcoin. That is, every opportunity he sees on the Bitcoin price chart, for example, in this very case, and Bitcoin begin to go down, he take advantage of that opportunity, he buy more Bitcoin. If it goes down, he buys more Bitcoin. All of a sudden, market pump upward, he is in massive money. So this is my own take, okay? And I believe that this is going to happen in the next 20 years. Elon Musk can be flipped and Michael Saylor can be in that position, but he's been in that very top position as the most richest man in the world will not be stable because of the fluctuation in the price of Bitcoin. And this is my personal opinion. So this is what I get from this very analysis right here. And as you can see, Michael Saylor continue to buy Bitcoin. So what do you think on this very analysis? Do you think this possibility is there, or it is a no possibility at all? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. Let me see what you're thinking. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video. Subscribe right now if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content, and join our Telegram channel. The link in the description for more updates, news, investing in day trading strategy.